Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will start chapter 11, that is money. So in this chapter we will study about money. As you can see student, this is a 10 rupee note. What is this? This is a 10 rupee note and this is a sign of rupee. As you can see here, this is a sign of rupee. Is it clear? And these are some coins which are known as paisa. As you can see, 50 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, 25 paisa. So these are some coins which are known as paisa. Now I am taking a coin which is of 50 paisa, and now I am taking one more coin 50 paisa. So 50 paisa, it will become 100 paisa, and 100 paisa make 1 rupee. Is it clear? What did I say? If I take 100 paisa, then it will become 1 rupee. So basically what we have seen here, rupee 1 is equals to 100 paisa. Is it clear? If I take rupee 1, it will become 100 paisa, and 100 paise is equals to rupees 1. So in this chapter we will see how can we convert rupees to paisa and paisa to rupees. So whenever we are converting rupees to paisa, we have to multiply it by 100. What did I say? When we are converting rupee to paisa, we have to multiply it by 100, and when we are converting paisa to rupees, 1 paisa is equals to 1 upon 100 rupee. So when you will convert paisa to rupees, you have to divide it by 100. To convert rupees to paisa, multiply it by 100, and to convert paisa to rupees, we will do divide by 100. Is it clear? So now we will start book work. So students, open page number 149 in your book, exercise 11.1, question number 1. And question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part is rupees 24 is equals to dash paisa. So we have to convert rupees 24 into paisa. So how can we convert rupees to paisa? As I have told you, you have to do multiplied by 100. So now let's have a look on the board. So rupees 24 and we are converting it into paisa. So as I have told you, you have to do multiplied by 100. Whenever you are converting rupees to paisa, you will do multiplied by 100. Why we are doing multiplied by 100? Because rupees 1 is equals to 100 paisa. Is it clear? So rupees 24 is equals to 24 multiplied by 100, and it will be 2400 paisa, or you can say 2400 paisa. Is it clear students? In this way you can convert rupees to paise. So now we are taking B part, and the B part is rupees 28.90 is equals to dash paisa. Now again we have to convert rupees to paisa, but as we can see there is a point. In this question we can see a point here. So what is the meaning of this point? This point is showing rupees 28, and after point 90 is coming, it means we can say 90 paise. Is it clear? Rupees 28 and 90 paise. Now we have to convert rupees 28 90 paise to paise. As we can see, 90 is already converted into paisa. ये already हमें किस में given है? पैसा में given है. So we will convert only this rupees 28. And how can we convert rupees to paisa? We have to multiply it by 100. And when we will multiply 28 by 100, it will become paise, and it will be 28 100 paise. Is it clear, students? And we have 90 also, 90 paise, so we have to add 90 paisa. So now it will become 2890 paise. So now we will take one more question. C part of question 1, and C part is 753 paise is equals to rupees dash. This time we have to convert paise to rupees. And how can we convert paise to rupees? As I have told you, 1 paise is equals to rupees 1 upon 100. It means we have to divide by 100. हमें 100 से क्या करना है? Divide करना है. And we have 753 paise. So we will do 753 divided by 100, and now it will convert into rupees. You can write like this also, or you can write in denominator we are observing 20 here. हम 20 देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So we have to put decimal or point before 2 digit. And why we are putting a decimal before 2 digit? Because we can see 20 here. We can see 20, so we can write like this also, 7.53 rupees 7.53, because we can see 20 here, so we will put we will put decimal before 2 digit, and it will become rupees 7.53. So answer will be rupees 7.53. Is it clear? Question number 2, A part is rupee 1462.35 and rupee 2159.43, and we have to add them. Rupee 1462.35, or we can read it like rupees 1462 and 35 paisa. Is it clear? Now we are going to add them. So we have to add these numbers simple as we can add 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 7. Now we can see decimal is coming, point is coming, so we have to put a point in answer also. Is it clear, students? So 9 plus 2 will be 11, carry over 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, and 2 plus 1 will be 3, and this is the addition of these two numbers, and answer is rupees 3621.78, or you can read it like rupees 3621 and 78 paisa. Is it clear, students? So in this way you can add money. Now we are taking one more question. Question number 2, and we are taking D part. Rupees 1752 and rupees 213.68. Now first of all we have to arrange these numbers. First of all we have to see how can we arrange these numbers. So first number is rupees 1752. We cannot see any decimal here. We are not able to see any paisa here. So we will write it as it is, and the next number is rupees 213.68. So students, rupees 213, and here we can see 1000. So 200, it is coming at hundreds place, so we have to write here. Because 7 is coming at hundreds place, so we have to write 2 here, and then 213.68. Decimal we will put here, and after decimal we will write 68, and here we cannot see any decimal, so we can put decimal 0 0. Is it clear? Now we can add these numbers. 8 plus 0 will be 8, 6 plus 0 will be 6, decimal will write as it is. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 as it is, and the answer is 1965.68. Is it clear, students? Now we will do subtraction. Question number 3. Question number 3 we will do now. Question 3 is subtract, and we are taking A part of this question, rupee 1236.45, and the next is rupees 342 decimal. Students, you can see decimal after decimal, and after this 5 0. Now we have to subtract these numbers. Minus करना है हमें. Okay. So now 5 minus 0 will be 5, and 4 is smaller than 5, so we are not able to subtract that. So we have to borrow 1, and it will be 14. Now 14 minus 5 will be 9, decimal as it is, and it will become 5. 5 minus 2 3. Now again 3 minus 4 not possible, so we have to borrow 1, and it will be 13, and 13 minus 4 will be 9. As you can see 2 हमने borrow किया था 1 इससे, so it will be 1. Again we have to borrow 1, it will be 11 or it will be 0. Now 11 minus 3 is 8, and here 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 893.95. Is it clear, students? In this way you can do subtraction also. Now we are taking question number 4. Question number 4 is, from the sum of rupees 2415 and rupees 3640.25, subtract rupees 895.75. So students, what is the question? Question is from the sum of, and then we have two numbers from the sum of. So first of all we have to find the sum of two numbers, then we have to subtract the third number. So now we are finding the sum of two numbers. Question number 4. Question number 4, and we are finding sum of two numbers, and the two numbers are 2415, and the next is 3640.25. So we will write 0.25 here. Here we cannot see any point, so we have to put 0.00. Now we have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 0 will be 5, 2 plus 0 2, decimal. 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 4 10, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, and the answer is 6055.25. Now what we have to do in this question, from the sum of this and this, subtract rupees 895.75. इन दोनों नंबर्स के सम से हमें क्या माइनस करना है? रुपीज 895.75. Is it clear, students? So now we are subtracting these numbers. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now 12 minus 7 will be 5, decimal. Now it will be 4, and 14 minus 5 is 9. Again this will be 4, and 14 minus 9, we are subtracting 9 from 14, it will be 5, and it will be 9 minus 8, 1, and it will be 5. So here the answer is 5159.50. Is it clear? हमें 2 numbers के sum में से third number को subtract करना था. And here we can see the answer is rupees 5159.50. So students, today we have seen how can we convert rupees to paisa and paisa to rupees, and how can we add and how can we subtract. In the next video, in the next part of this chapter, we will see multiplication, division and word problems. Thank you.